Safety officer, interview, question, and answer. What is safety? Safety is a condition which gives you freedom from hazard, risk, accident which may cause injury, damage, and loss to material and property damage, and even death. What is hazard? Anything that has potential to cause harm are called hazard. What is the risk? Risk is the probability of being harmed by any hazard. Risk equals likelihood into severity. What is likelihood? Chance and probability of hazard occurrence. What is severity? Consequences and impact of hazard. What is risk assessment? Risk assessment is the method to systematically examine a job, identify the hazard, evaluate risks, and specify precautionary measures. Identify the hazard. Decide who might be harmed and how. Evaluate the risk and take precaution. Implement the precaution. Review and update if necessary. What is JSA? Job safety analysis is the step-by-step analysis of a job to know about its hazard and specify precautionary measures. Identify the job. Break down the job into steps. Identify the hazards in each steps of a job. Specify the precautionary measure. Implement the precautionary measure. What is the difference between JSA and risk assessment? JSA only specify hazards and precaution. Risk assessment specify hazard, precaution, and risk associated with each hazard. What is PTW? It is a written authorization and documentation evaluating all the hazards in specific activity and specific precautions to do the job safely. What is accident? It is unwanted and unplanned event which can cause damage to property, environment, and even death to a person. What is incident? Any unwanted, unplanned occurrence is called incident. What is near miss? It is unwanted and unplanned event which does not cause any harm, but it had potential to cause harm. What is unsafe condition? Unsafe condition is a hazardous condition which could directly permit the occurrence of an accident. What is unsafe act? Any violation against safety rules and regulation called unsafe act. What is HIP? Hazard Identification Plan. It is a document from the contractor in which listed all the hazards of tasks and precautions of contracted work. What is HSE policy? HSE policy is a written statement of commitment by the top management of the organization. Every company has a social and legal obligation to provide a safe and healthy working environment to all his improvement to all his employees. What is SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. It is a set of written instructions that describes in detail how to perform a hazardous work safely. What is 5s in safety? 1. Sort. Removing unwanted material from the workplace. 2. Set in order. Keep equipment material in an arranged way in workplace. 3. Sweep and shine. Keep all equipment and work area clean. 4. Standardize. Develop a standard for housekeeping. 5. Sustain. Continual housekeeping by awareness and training. What is 5Es of accident prevention? 1. Education. 2. Encouragement. 3. Engineering. 4. Enforcement. 5. Evaluation. What is H2S? H2S, also known as hydrogen sulfide. H2S is a toxic and flammable gas. It smells like rotten egg at the concentration of 1 ppm. H2S is a colorless gas and heavier than air. What is LOTO? LOTO is a safety procedure used to ensure that dangerous equipment is properly shut off and not able to be start up to the completion of work.